Today, Corewell Health announcing plans to permanently close its Spectrum Health Kelsey Hospital in Lakeview this fall. News 8's Demetria Sanders has more on this decision.
Well, after more than 6 decades of serving the community, the Kelsey Hospital will be no more starting in October. And while other medical services may help fill the void, some community members say they are stunned by the announcement.
I don't know if they really thought about what this is going to do to the people.
Brandy King says her grandmother has been receiving long-term care at Kelsey Hospital since last year, a place where she's become comfortable.
In March, she was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer, and I was so glad to know that she was somewhere where she already felt at home and that she deserved to be able to have that in her last days.
After Corewell Health announced that they will close the hospital for good in October, King concerned about what it may mean for her grandmother.
I just think that's such an awful thing that somebody should have to make those kinds of adjustments when they're in that kind of a condition, to be told, well, you have to find another place to go now.
Corewell Health says the 16-bed facility, which was built in the 60s, has become outdated, especially on the interior.
The infrastructure, the technology needs, all of those things that were, those didn't exist in the 60s. And so now, any kind of renovation that needs to be done is just really, really costly.
Leslie adding that the volume of patients coming into the hospital has also declined over the years. According to the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, in 2017, the hospital had just more than 10,100 ER visits. In 2022, that number fell to just over 7,700 visits.
People in this community and the surrounding communities really have been seeking their care elsewhere.
In June, Corewell Health opened its Lakeview Care Center about a mile away from Kelsey Hospital, which offers a walk-in clinic. Leslie says about half of the hospital's ER visits last year could have been served in a clinic environment.
Which is exactly what we built at the Lakeview Care Center. It's open 7 days a week, and so, people can get that same level of care just down the street.
Leslie says patients in critical condition in need of emergency care have been transferred to other nearby hospitals for nearly a decade, and she believes the community is equipped to fill the gap caused by Kelsey Hospital's closure.
Corewell Health Greenville is 21 miles to the south of here. Corewell Health Big Rapids is 27 miles to the north of here. And Sheridan Community Hospital is also 24 miles to the east. So there is no lack of hospital care services in this community.
Now, the 105 staff members here will be assisted with finding other positions with Corewell Health West, which has around 2,400 openings. And I'm told that Corewell Health will decide over the next 6 months what will happen with the hospital site. In Lakeview, Demetria Sanders, News 8.